Greetings everyone in northern part of India as well as in major parts of India. Temperature is going 40 degree and above. So in this summer, pickly summer, use the Fuller's Earth on the face and enjoy. Fuller's Earth is having multiple benefits. Lot of resources you can get on its multiple benefits because of the aluminium content on the Fuller's Earth. Fuller's Earth is generally found in Pakistan. There are mines in Pakistan. You can see how the excavation happened of the Fuller's Earth. This is a boon in summer to cure all skin related problem due to sun. Not sun but the heat. 40 degree, 45 degree, 50 degree. Enjoy.